Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're doing great and your preparation for A2 paper 4 is going great. Or I would be posting some important videos tonight and tomorrow as well. And these videos will really help you for section B. And I will share some important questions for section A as well and their solution as well. If you are basically looking for the important questions for section A plus their solutions, then you can write me in the comment box, or you can just send me on WhatsApp number shown on the screen right now. And I will try to share with you the short questions that are generally tested in case studies, and I will share their answers as well. And this video series, which I'm going to start today, and it will definitely end tomorrow, because day after tomorrow you have exam, and I wish all of you very best of luck for this exam. This is huge exam. Definitely, it has huge weightage for you. And during these video series, I will be explaining what important questions can be asked in section B. So the first question that is generally asked by the examiner is from economic efficiency and market failure. Sometimes he asks question about economic efficiency, and sometimes he asks question about market failure, sources of market failure, and solution to that market failure, the policies that government can use to solve these basically market failures. And I also suggest you to watch basically the link in description. There are two links. One link contains a video for sources of market failure, like what causes market failure, and the second video contains the policies that can basically help to control market failure. And I have also explained the evaluation part of that question as well. So market failure basically occurs when marginal social cost is not equal to marginal social benefit, and there can be underproduction, there can be monopoly practices, underproduction of merit and demerit goods, merit and public goods, and overproduction of demerit goods and overconsumption of demerit goods. These are general reasons for the market failure. And monopoly practice, definitely, because monopoly is involved in underproduction and overcharging, and that also causes market failure. Or इन चीजों के लिए you will have to make graphs as well, and in the video I'm sharing in description will definitely contain all type of graphs as well. And the second video, as I told you earlier, is relevant to the policies that government can use to solve this market failure, and evaluation of these policies as well, mean when they are effective and when they are not. So the first thing for today's first dose is market failure and the sources of market failure and ways and policies that government can use to market failure. This is the first dose. Must view and watch these videos. And definitely the second one will be relevant to economic efficiency. So one question is compulsory from these two topics. One is market failure and the other one is economic efficiency. And sometimes he makes a single question, part A for economic efficiency and part B for basically the ways to achieve economic efficiency, or the ways to correct market failure. So this is it for this dose, right? See you soon. Thank you.